Discover Howe Sound like never before. There's something magical about feeling the wind fill your sails as you glide across Howe Sound's pristine waters. Our stunning 50-foot yacht isn't just a boat, it's your gateway to experiencing Squamish's natural beauty from an entirely new perspective. Picture this. You're at the steering wheel of an elegant vessel, mountains rising dramatically around you, the city's hustle fading into memory. Below deck, you'll find a spacious salon and 3 comfortable cabins where you can relax in the shade or simply take in the craftsmanship of this beautiful yacht. With us, sailing is accessible to everyone. Never touched a sail line? Perfect. We love introducing newcomers to the joy of harnessing wind and water. Already know your way around a boat? Even better, let's explore some of Howe Sound's hidden gems together. Whether you're planning an intimate escape for 2, an adventure with your closest friends, or a celebration with your entire crew, we'll tailor the experience to your needs. Our spacious and elegant yacht can accommodate groups of up to 12 for an unforgettable experience on the water. Our minimum trip is 3 hours, but honestly, once you're out there, surrounded by majestic mountains or even distant glaciers, with nothing but the sound of water against the hull, you'll understand why most guests choose to stay longer. This isn't just another tour. It's a chance to disconnect, breathe deeply, and see the place you love or are just discovering through completely different eyes. Ready to set sail? Visit SquamishWatersports.com and let's get you on the water.